In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and install Node.js using Cursor's AI Terminal Assistant. First, let's open the integrated terminal inside Cursor. Look for the bottom panel in the editor. If it's hidden, expand it, then open the terminal from there. This is where we'll run commands and use the built-in AI to help us, so you don't have to remember everything by heart. Next, we'll access the AI Terminal Assistant. Press Ctrl+K on Windows or Linux, or CMD+K on macOS. A prompt input will appear right in your terminal. Speak to it in plain English. For example, ask it to check whether Node.js is installed and to show the version. You can type something like, check if Node.js is installed, and if so, show the version. The AI will suggest a command such as node v or npm v. Go ahead and run what it suggests. If you see version numbers, great. You already have Node.js and npm installed. If you get an error or no output, you'll want to install Node.js next. If Node.js isn't installed, press Ctrl+K or CMD+K again and ask for installation instructions tailored to your operating system. Be specific and request the latest LTS version using a version manager. For example, provide the command to install the latest LTS version of Node.js on macOS using a version manager. Using a version manager like NVM is recommended because it lets you switch node versions per project and keeps your environment clean. The AI will generate the appropriate command. On Windows, it may suggest using a package manager like Chocolatey or provide steps for installing a Windows-compatible Node version manager. On Mac OS or Linux, it will typically give you a curl command to install NVM, followed by an NVM command to install Node.js. Review the command it provides so you understand what it's doing, then run it in your terminal. You may be asked for administrator privileges. Approve those when prompted. If the AI mentions restarting your terminal or sourcing your shell profile, do that so the NVM command is recognized. Once the installation finishes, verify everything worked. Run node v and npm v, or ask the AI to run the verification again. You should see version numbers for both node and npm. If you don't, open a fresh terminal session and try the commands again. That's it. You've used Cursor's AI Terminal Assistant to check for Node.js, install it using a version manager, and confirm it's ready to go.